Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video and welcome to day 2 of Halloween Soul, a month of me bringing you videos every day during October, and I am going to kick it off with my first makeup video of October, which is Find Your Fire palette from Primark. This is £4. It's very autumnal, but I wanted to see if I can do like a Halloween orange look to match my nails. And can we just take a moment to appreciate my nails? These are amazing. I love them. I don't know how I'm meant to show nails, but yeah, I love them. I'm wearing Primark actually. These are my own nails, and the varnish is neon orange, I think it's called, and it's got some sort of oil in it, which makes it nicer. So I'm going to shut up and get into a video. So Find Your Fire. Let's see what it's like on the eyes. I am going to start off with a big fluffy brush. I really need to clean my brushes, so temporary I am just using a colour switch. First I am going to go in with this shade here. Can you see it? That one there, which is like a peachy colour. I want this to try and be as orange as I can. Oh, I am liking that orange. So I'm just going to take the same brush again, give it a quick switcheroo, and then go in with the lighter orange, which is this one, very pumpkin. Then I'm just going to try and lighten up the crease. So now I've gone in with that more pumpkin orange colour. I am going to take a little bit of this brown, and I'll just spat everywhere. Ew. So I'm going to take this brown, but first I'm going to switch brushes because I want a smaller one. Oh my god, look at that. That's actually stained red. If a makeup company out there who sells brushes wants to sponsor me and send me some brushes, then please get in touch because I need some new brushes. So, a little bit of brown. Ooh, check that out. That is a lot of pigment. Ooh. And then I'm just going to darken up the corners. Right, and then for underneath the eyes, I am happy the way I've blended that in. So for this, with this colour, the burnt orange, I'm going to go underneath the eye. Ooh, I'm loving that. So I've got another bigger fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to see if I can blend it out a bit more underneath. Oh, I'm liking that. So I'm going to go in with the first colour I used, which is this peachy colour. And then just to go around and smudge any lines out. Right, the mattes are done. Now, what shimmers am I going to use? I'm going to go in with this burgundy colour here. It's a shimmer. What brush am I going to use? I'm going to go in with this brush. And then go all over. Now, I am obsessed with that. I like the way that shimmer's darkened it up a bit. So, I'm going to take a bit, what's that? A bit more of the pumpkin orange, tap it in the corner of both sides. Then take this like silvery white colour on this same brush, I think. Wow, I'm looking at in the corner. Now to top the top of the what? Now to top the Now to top the lids off, I'm going to use this orange, and I'm going to go in with my finger. Ooh, hello. Wow, I looked evil. Oh, now that is done, and I am loving that. What do you think of that? So I'm just going to brush away any fallout. There's not much fallout, to be honest. I'm going to go in. Oh, I'll miss some blending. So I am happy with the eyes, and now I'm just going to take a mascara, which is just going to be a Primark one. This is the Smoky Lash Mascara, and I'm loving it. It's one of my favourites at the moment. So, mascara is done. I'm just going to take some bronzer and just bronze. So I'm going to find some highlighter now. So the highlighter I've chosen is Brunch Club, and this is a Primark one. If you do want it, they do still sell it, but it's in a different packaging. So no idea why it is in a different packaging. Ain't got a clue why this packaging would be an issue, but yes, it's all in a new packaging. So I am going to use Brunch Club. Oh, I'm loving that. So, lips. I am going to take a black lip, keep it in Halloween and all that jazz. I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty in the Stunner Lip in shade Uninvited. I love this formula. If you haven't tried one of these Stunner Lips by Rihanna, they are £19, but I just think it is such a great formula, and they last quite a while in the bottle and on the lips. Lips are done. I am loving that. Just going to finish it off with some spray. I am loving it. What do you think, guys? I'm just going to bring you in for a closer look. So I'm loving it. So, should you go out and buy this for £4? I think it is a bargain. If you like Atomic Colours, then it's got your name written all over it. But yes, it is a good palette. The formula is good. Not too powdery. There wasn't too much fallout on the face. There was some back powder on the pans when I did my brushes in, but that was it. So, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. I will be doing a few more Halloween looks for Halloween Soul. And I have got a couple of more days that I haven't filmed. So, if you've got any ideas of videos that I could do for Halloween Soul, then please comment below. I'd love to hear your ideas. So, I shall see you all for day 3. So, yes, it's a goodbye from me, and it's a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.